Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of What It Is, a place where we talk about the ways U.S. immigration laws affect everyone. Today, we're going to answer the question that has been affecting a lot of people at U.S. embassies around the world. What is visa revocation? Hi, I'm Michael Ruddle, immigration attorney and founder at Ruddle Law PC based in Torrance, California, where we practice immigration law in all 50 states. So what is visa revocation? Once someone has been issued a visa that's temporary or non-immigrant in nature to come to the US, such as to study or work, visa revocation occurs when the government decides to take back that decision and revoke that person's right to travel to the United States. That's what it is. Generally, once someone has been issued a visa to come to the US, either to study or work, immigration laws state that the consular officer can revoke that visa at any time in their discretion. Now, we all know that applying for a visa can be expensive and time-consuming. So when you're finally approved, that feeling of excitement can all come crashing down if you get notification that your visa approval has been revoked. However, you should know that the government is not supposed to revoke a visa arbitrarily or without reason, especially when there's no sufficient evidence to call your eligibility into question. Now you may ask, what if I'm already in the US? Or what if I'm on my way? The law states that a visa cannot be revoked if you're already in the US or on what's called an uninterrupted journey, such as on the plane on your way here. It's important to keep in mind, though, that there are two exceptions that allow the government to revoke your visa while you are inside the United States. The first is where someone has been arrested on suspicion of DUI. Notice that I used the word arrested and not convicted. The second is where a visa holder has been arrested for any crime, including domestic violence, for example, that may lead to visa ineligibility in the future. That's very broad, some say too broad, but different embassies are revoking visas more and more. You also may ask the question, what if I'm in the US and I get notification that my visa has been revoked? According to the government's own rules, a visa revocation is not supposed to take effect until after you leave the country. However, we are seeing at some embassies that consular officers are misapplying the law and arguing that by staying in the US after visa revocation, you have demonstrated that you don't intend to depart the US and therefore they are going to deny your visa based on failure to show non-immigrant intent. If the government plans to revoke your visa, they are supposed to inform you about it first, usually by the email listed on your visa application form. They are also supposed to give you an opportunity to explain why you should be able to keep it. However, we are hearing more and more that individuals are finding out their visa has been revoked without getting any prior notification first. So, if you or someone you know has been affected by visa revocation and you want to see if you have a possibility for applying for a visa in the future, contact an immigration attorney at Ruddle Law today to see if we can help you. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, click that bell, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on the ways U.S. immigration laws affect everyone. Until next time, I'm attorney Michael Ruddle. Keep climbing that mountain.